Hey everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to add your leave on time of in Outlook using the calendar feature. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook on your browser and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now go to the top left side of your screen and you will find the calendar option. Click on this and here you have to select the date. Once you are in, you will see this kind of window is pop up. Now here you have to add a title. For example, leave. Then you have to change the date and time. So now on the top of your screen, you will see the busy icon. Just drop down the menu and select out of office. This will automatically mark your calendar as unavailable. So once you're done with all of this, click on the save button at the top left side of the pop-up window and that's it. You have successfully added your leave to your Outlook calendar as you can see here. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.